In this video I'll show you 3 brutal hacks to build your own wealth and become rich really quick. I guarantee. You want regret? Watch this. Because this secret you will never found another place. But, I'm telling you right now, won't be easy. Fun as you expected. I need you to focus. I get 3 brutal hack that I have doing to start build my own wealth. Did you ever feel like time is just slipping through your fingers? I mean, think about it, New Year's was basically yesterday. And now we're already staring down June. It's wild, right? So, here's the question. In these past couple of months, what have you done to change your life? Have you made any real progress? Has your family seen any improvements? Or are you still stuck in the same old rut, feeling like you're falling behind? Yeah, it's a tough one, but here's the deal. Time doesn't care. It's gonna keep moving, whether you're ready or not. Before you know it, another year will pass, then 2, then 10. And if you're not careful, you'll look back and realize you've wasted your shot. You'll be that person who's always talking about what they could have done but never actually did it. Now, I'm not here to make you feel bad. I'm here to help you change that. Because I believe anyone, including you, can turn their life around. But it takes work, it takes grit, and it takes a plan. Let me break it down into 3 brutal truths that no one's telling you. Let's start with the first key to wealth: earning money. I know, it sounds obvious, but most people don't get it. You can't print cash unless you're the Fed. And let's be real, you're not. So, you've got to earn it. And that means working hard, working smart, and working consistently. Look at the most successful people in America like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, or even that local business owner who's crushing it. They didn't get there by being lazy. They got there by hustling, grinding, and doing what others weren't willing to do. But here's the thing. It's not just about your 9 to 5. It's about finding ways to earn more. Say you're a marketing manager at a big company like Procter & Gamble. You could offer consulting services to smaller businesses on the side. Turn your expertise into extra income. Or if you're in finance, help startups clean up their books. The point is, there's always more you can do. Always. Don't be the person who clocks out at 5 p.m. and calls it a day. That's a one-way ticket to mediocrity. When you wake up, you should already know what you're hunting today. Because trust me, there's always someone hungrier, ready to take your spot. Alright, so you're earning more. Great. But that's only half the battle. The second key is saving that money, and I mean saving aggressively. None of this "I'll save what's left at the end of the month" nonsense. You need to pay yourself first. If you're making $5,000 a month, aim to save at least 40 to 60% of that. Yeah, you heard me, 40 to 60%. That means living below your means, cutting out the fluff, and being ruthless with your spending. No, it's not fun. No, it's not glamorous, but it's necessary. Because without savings, you can't invest. And without investing, you can't build wealth. All richest man remember when he was grinding, living in a tiny apartment, driving a beat-up car, while my friends were out buying flashy stuff. They thought he was crazy. But guess what? While they're still paying off credit card debt, I'm sitting on investments that are paying us. Every time you want to buy something, wait a week. Ask yourself, do I really need this? If the answer's no, don't buy it. It's that simple. Now, the third key: investing. You've worked hard, saved like a beast, and now you need to make that money work for you. There are options: stocks, real estate, starting a business, but let's talk about the one with the biggest upside: cryptocurrency. Look, I get it. Crypto's volatile. It's risky, but the potential, massive. We're living in an era where technology is changing everything, and crypto is at the forefront. It's like being around when the internet was first invented. You can ignore it, but you'll regret it. Now, I'm not saying throw all your money into Bitcoin. Diversify. Look at stocks, real estate, whatever fits your risk tolerance. But don't sleep on crypto. Educate yourself. Learn about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other projects. Because in 10 to 20 years, the world's gonna look real different, and you don't want to be left behind. Here's the brutal truth. If you're not investing, you're not building wealth. You're just treading water. And in this economy, treading water means you're drowning. 10 years from now, you'll either say, "I wish I had," or "I'm damn glad I did."